Zoinks! What's up, guys? It's your boy Eli the Beast here. This is a segment I like to call Cooking with the Beast. Today we're going to be cooking something special. But first of all, this has a special ingredient. It's called boiled water. So you get some water in your pot and you put that thing to high right there. High. I'm not high because drugs are bad, kids. We're going to be cooking some ramen noodle soup, chicken flavored. Man, don't sound like chicken. Now, this it's gonna have some couple steps. We're gonna boil this water. We're going to put that in that, and then after that, take the noodles out with this thing, because I'm a little bit too lazy to wash the strainer. Don't need to wash it because it's right here, but I don't want to use the strainer because you know why I don't want to use the strainer? Because of hot water. So, boom. We're going to wait till it boils, and when it boils, we're going to get some ramen noodle soup. Now, there's a couple ingredients I put in it. Of course, I put in the little season packet, but I always will put in some Great Value garlic. Yeah, Great Value sucks. Walmart sucks. Boom. And we got your black pepper grinder. So yeah, grinder. Don't sponsor me because I really don't want to be sponsored by grinder. But yeah, so I put in. Let's open that crap up. Let me see if it's filming, because that would suck. I opened it up and it's not filming. Oh, it came with a free toy. Once the water boils, I'll come back at you. Cooking with Beast. Let me see if it's recording. Sorry. The water's boiling. It's going crazy. I had to put my glasses on for this little intro. Now we're gonna take out the. See the boiling? We're gonna take out. Fudge, that hurt. Watch this delicate process. Now, we're gonna go kitchen time, and we're gonna put on for 1 minute. In the next 1 minute, I'm let it sit there for 1 minute, and I'm gonna start stirring it up. You know what I mean? I don't know what I'm doing, but I got a lot of cat hair on my shirt. I'm sick of this job. No, I love this. I love working for you guys. I love working for YouTube. Yeah. Just look at that madness happening in the kitchen. I got my bowl on standby. I got my onions on standby. I got my potatoes on standby. You know what I mean? Cause cooking with Beast. Cooking with Beast. Okay. Gotta get it real close. Ow. You like that? Look at that noodle action. Now you turn off your stove and you let it sit for a little bit. I'll get back with you guys in a little bit, guys. Okay, so probably can't see me, but it doesn't matter. You only have to really see this part. Now you could use a strainer, but I found out a way much better. You got one of these pieces of crap. You just scoop it. Try not to burn yourself. If you burn yourself, your mom will get mad. No, yourself will get mad at yourself because yourself is stupid. Now I dumped out most of the juice and you got a little bit of noodles. You can pour that over. And basically that's it. Now, wait 1 second. Alright. Put in your seasonings. Wait 1 second, guys. I'm gonna zoom it right up. Yeah. And put the ramen packet in. Go get the garlic and the pepper. I think my arm was blocking the shot the whole time, so not a very successful Cooking with Beast episode. Oh god, what did I do? I'm probably going to be eating this while I'm editing this. Like a lot of pepper. There we go. That's how I make Beast style ramen noodles. Like always, guys, subscribe, like, and I will see you in my next video. Good job.